Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to look at how to tell the time in Spanish. What you really need for the time is the numbers 1 to 12. So if you don't know the numbers 1 to 12, go back to the previous blog and video and learn them. But really, if you have the numbers, this shouldn't be that difficult. So the first important thing is the question. We want to ask, what time is it? ¿Qué hora es? ¿Qué hora es? Hora is hour, so what you're asking is, what hour is it? ¿Qué hora es? And it's not too difficult, it's not too complicated. Son las dos. The son here means they are. Son las dos. The las refers to las dos horas. So you're saying they are 2 hours. That's what you're literally saying. Son las dos. Son las dos. Let's look at another example. Son las tres. Son las tres. That's all we say. Don't overcomplicate it. And we can add a little something just to specify. We can say son las cuatro en punto. We can use this for any time. En punto means on the dot. It's not 100% on the dot here, but it's close enough. So son las cuatro en punto. You don't need the en punto. Son las cuatro is enough. So let's do a little bit of practice. ¿Qué hora es? ¿Qué hora es? For all these times, you just use son las and the number. ¿Qué hora es? Son las 5. Son las 5. ¿Qué hora es? Son las 6. ¿Qué hora es? Son las 9. And that's all it is. That's all you do for the o'clock. Son las. So we'll do one more little bit of practice and then we'll go move on to half past. ¿Qué hora es? ¿Qué hora es? Son las, can you remember 12? 12. Remember, we can say 12 or 12. Son las 12. Okay, let's move on to half past. Again, ¿qué hora es? Son las 3 y media. Son las 3 y media. Media, as you can imagine, is half. Las 3 y media. Again, never changes. Son las 4 y media. Always the same. 4 y media. So, ¿qué hora es? Remember, we always start off with son las. So start off with the hour. Son las 10 y media. Son las 10 y media. ¿Qué hora es? Same thing again. Son las 2 y media. Son las 2 y media. So just to revise before we go on. Son las 9. Son las 6. Son las 5. Son las 3 y media. Son las 10 y media. Just to mention, 1 is a little different. We don't use son las for 1 o'clock. We have to use es la. And this is just because it's singular. That's all. Son las means they are, es la, it is. Because it's a singular hour, 1 o'clock, we just say es la una. And the same for any variation. Es la una y media. Es la una y media. It's the only difference. So let's look at a couple more things quickly. 5 past. Son las 3:05. Again, hour, minutes. Just use the E in the middle. It's not too complicated. Las 3:05. Son las 6:10. 6:10. 6 horas 10 minutos. Son las 6:10. ¿Qué hora es? Son las, because it's plural. Take the hour first. 10. Put the E. And then the minutes. 10:10. 10:10. So we're going to do some practice with them all. ¿Qué hora es? Again, we say son las. Always the same except for una. Son las 8:30. Son las 8:30. ¿Qué hora es? Remember, 1 is different. Es la. Exactly. So remember, for the one, for una, it's es la. Es la una y take 10. 10. So una y 10. Key is not to overcomplicate. Follow the same pattern all the time. ¿Qué hora es? Son las. Always son las. Start off with the hour and the minutes. Son las 11:05. Son las 11:05. ¿Qué hora es? We've 1 or 2 left just for more practice. Son las. Take the hour. 9:30. Exactamente. Okay, let's go back to the first thing we learned. ¿Qué hora es? Just 3 words. Son las 10. And the last one. ¿Qué hora es? Son las. Take the hour first. 7:30. Son las 7:30. That's the first part of telling the time. It gets a little more complicated when we do 5:2, 10:2, but that's all it is. Thanks for watching. If you need any help, email sligospanishsociety@gmail.com. Watch the video again to practice. And please do the Quizlet just to practice as well. Thanks for watching.